See what we have here. This boy.
It's original face.
See the excitement. I'm really enjoying this. Hey, wait. He's unhooking it. Oh, the bait really worked. Good morning to all our beautiful subscribers all over the globe. This is your amazing channel, Remember the Africa's Greatest, and I'm your host, Aman Mende. The tour continues. That is the nationwide tour. And as I speak to you, we are currently at the north bank of the Gambia. And so we were on our way to James Island, that is Kunta Kinte. However, I could not just get my eyes off these amazing boys. They were fishing on the bank of the river. Others were playing football. Their fishing and soccer skills impressed me a lot. I couldn't have enough of it, so I decided to take a video, and I interacted with them in their fishing, and I also played alongside them. So here they are trying to retrieve the ball, and the whole story behind this is the boy who gave them the ball is not around. However, he gave them a warning that if his ball gets carried away by the waters, they will have to pay. So what they do is, when they play and someone accidentally kicks the ball in the water, the person has to jump and go for the ball. It is very risky. It is quite a risky game they're playing. However, it's fun. So I was like, boy, this is very risky. So I think it's not worth it. This is just a ball. You see? But they are like used to this, and they're excited about it. Although we have the life savers around and the police, but they don't take this very seriously. Yeah, I don't think there has been any major incident like this. However, it is risky, and I don't think they should be doing this. Yeah, but it's amazing. These boys could swim for a long distance and then come back. So these boys are really gifted. I think the Gambia should also look and also invest in the area of swimming. It is also a sport like football, and people are making a fortune out of it. I think if these boys are given the support that they need, and they are coached at this age, they can be great swimmers in the future. Yeah. And they are also amazing fisher boys. But in the long run, some of them could be fishermen. It could be a career. So it is interesting and amazing. So this is just one of the videos we took. So from here, as you could see, from afar, that is the island. That is Kunta Kinte Island. We were there yesterday. We took many videos. We interacted with the island. We conducted some interviews. So the video is loading. So the nationwide tour continues. Please do not forget to give us all the support we need. Like, comment, share, support us in cash or kind, or in any other way or means. We will be grateful. It will only enhance our job. It will make us produce more exciting content. Also improve on our materials or tools to enhance our video quality. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we'll be posting on this channel. We will really appreciate that. So I don't know, these boys are just amazing. They're just unique. I think they should be given all the support that they need to make it through. Yeah.